I've tried to shoot this video 13 times because I did too many words on a Monday. Two key things I need you to know. We're going to have a couple opportunities for severe weather today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday. And if you are in Middle Tennessee, your weather radio is not going to work. It's not going to work. The National Weather Service in Nashville is undergoing some necessary system upgrades, and it is going to take radios offline Monday and Tuesday. So that means you must have alternate ways to get weather information. These won't work until Wednesday, and by Wednesday, our severe weather chances are over. So let's start with what's going on right now. It's about 10:30 in the morning on Monday. We've got showers, we've got storms, none of them hitting severe criteria, but we could see a couple strong storms this afternoon. It's actually going to be a really busy day for a good part of the country. This is the severe weather outlook for Monday. Big bullseye, level 4 risk in Oklahoma. That extends to a level 1 risk generally for Middle Tennessee, and it's primarily for this afternoon. So here's a zoom in on that risk for Monday. So level 2 risk in yellow from Bowling Green down to Nashville to Chattanooga. Concern is wind and hail with some afternoon storms. Today, generally lower on the concern scale than tomorrow. But again, since your radios aren't going to work, you got to have a way to get weather information. But then we get to Tuesday. This is your severe weather outlook for tomorrow. Higher, level 2 for everybody, but then along and west of Nashville, a level 3. And tomorrow's going to be a little confusing because there's going to be multiple waves of storms. There may be some activity around in the morning, but the main concern is going to be afternoon and evening storms. Think between about noon Tuesday and 10 p.m. It's still a very busy season as far as graduations and promotions. So if you are out of routine, that means you're going to have a way to get weather information wherever you are, right? And know where you'll go if a warning is issued. So there are nearly a dozen weather radio transmitter sites that will be down through Wednesday. I'll put the full list in the caption. So that means you have to have other ways to get weather information. Staying connected to the forecast, staying connected right here is a good way to do it. Having a way to get weather information on the go. Wireless emergency alerts, which come on just about all mobile devices. They are free. You can turn those on. That's a good resource. There are a myriad of good apps out there that you can use. Key thing is make sure location is turned on for those apps and notification is turned on for those apps, right? Your phone has to know where you are to know if you are in the path of a warned storm. Storm Watch Plus is a good app. I like Code Red, Barron Critical Radar. Bottom line is it's got to be a tool that you feel comfortable using. I'll post some how-tos for those WEA alerts, those wireless emergency alerts later today, and I'll put more info in the caption. And please share with your friends because they got to know their radios won't work.